First, measure and cut copper pipe to the desired length. Deburr and clean the outside of the pipe ends with Oatey sand cloth, mesh, or grit pad. Then, clean the inside of fitting hubs with one of Oatey's fitting brushes. Apply a light coating of Oatey flux to the pipe end and fitting hub with an acid brush. Remove any excess. Push pipe into the fitting hub. Next, heat the pipe joint evenly until solder flows. Remove heat after the joint is filled. Finally, while the joint is still warm, wipe it clean with a clean, dry rag.